me show you what happened to the tree. Remember how on a couple vlogs ago we decorated it? This is the aftermath. So a couple of hours later, after we finished decorating it, me and Jameer were watching TV, and all of a sudden it just fell on the floor. And I was like, nope, I am not redecorating it. So Adrian's gonna decorate it again. I just grabbed some more stuff.
I'm coming home. It's a holiday, America can't hold me now. Christmas a J.A., what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. I'm coming home. It's a holiday, Britain can't hold me now. Christmas a J.A., what a happy crowd. Where the dance them, the from country come a town. Oh my God, today are the year-to-year dance. So much love we showing. Christmas breeze is blowing. Nah, it won't be snowing. It's perfect.
Good morning, Vlog Nation. Wagwan. Vlog number 11. Today's vlog, most of the vlogs are indoor because as you can see, I don't go much. I'm just at home and do my thing. You see me? And what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be remaking that tree. The first night when we made the tree, it just fell down and everything collapsed. So I put it on the ground because it dropped from Jameer again the other day. And it's in a pretty bad state, but I'm going to get it fixed up nonetheless. So I'm going to refix the Christmas tree right now. I'm working on editing that video that you guys saw yesterday, which is the chicken Alfredo. Shrimp Alfredo is going to be the next video out, so look out for that. I just drop off Jameer at school. You know the thing go, Now I'm back. I just relax right there, so I want to set up my laptop and all these things. And guess what I have on deck? Breakfast. Every day the same thing, oatmeal. In here I have my chia seed, hemp seed, flax seed, and sunflower seed. I have some banana and some blueberries. That's typically my breakfast every morning with 5 eggs. You see me? 3 whole eggs and 2 egg whites. So yeah, I'm gonna get into that breakfast, yeah? Set up the tree, and I'm gonna see what I go on and see. I'm gonna set it up wicked. Alright, so operation build up the Christmas tree again. So you saw where it mashed up, right? Let me show you how the Christmas tree look like, my people. So see Christmas tree. After we build it up the other day, drop down everything, mash up. You know what I say? But I'm gonna get it fixed right now. Don't worry yourself.
Alright, so you guys seen how our tree looked before? And then what happened a couple hours later. So right now, Adrian's fixing it. Looks good so far. I don't know about you, but it doesn't like the it doesn't look fluffy or anything. Like it looks like it's dying. It looks like a 100-year-old tree. Like it's just so bony. Is that like you see what I'm saying?
Yeah, when I realize that's sensitive, you just don't have enough fluff to it.
Yeah.
So it look empty. So now I look in. I'm gonna have to go do something for you.
Fluff it up. You're gonna have to. You know what you're gonna have to do? You're gonna have to use those. But get some of those and just wrap it around.
Yes.
The tree just don't have enough fluff to it, man.
Stop hitting my belly. I am going to make dinner. I think I'm gonna make rice with curry, but not with chicken because Adrian used the chicken. Adrian used the chicken for his meal prep, leftover chicken from yesterday. So I think we'll go vegetarian style. Curry chickpeas, maybe some potatoes in it. Rice, put some rice and some curry, chicken, potatoes. Ooh, ooh. We use Himalayan pink salt. It's supposed to be healthier, so why not? We shall do that. Let me see what I'm doing before I put too much. Some butter. So anyways, like I said, I've never, well, maybe I made it once. I think I made it once with roti. But anyways, if I don't know how to make it properly, I have my guide building the Christmas tree. Always rinse off the top of your can, because you just never know. I don't know. I was always taught to rinse off the top of your can before you open it. So. What are you doing, baby? Where's her coloring? This looks like smiley faces. This one creating his own tree stand for the Christmas tree, because it broke. So yeah, that's what's popping, y'all. Not much. Okay, so I finished cooking. Easy peasy. Probably took like what? 20 minutes, 25, 30 minutes. Simple stuff.
10 minutes waiting. You're all done your food?
So we went to Chuck E. Cheese. We took some pictures. Like 5, I should say. Sit down, Jam.
5, 1, 2.
Just
3,
beautiful pictures.
4, 5.
Just beautiful pictures.
What's my picture?
Look, oh, I just love him. Jameer, some of Jameer's art. What is that, Jameer?
A melting pizza.
Oh, a mountain pizza.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. What else?
But
Let's see.
but the pizza's melting.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, melting pizza.
And then we got this one as well. What is this?
What?
What picture? What is this picture?
Angry Hulk.
Angry Hulk. Okay, nice. I can kind of see that. And then we got
Boba.
this.
That's me, Jameer.
Yeah.
I'm not.
Why are you smiling like that?
Because Daddy teach me how to do that.
Come here. Come tell me the story. What happened?
Here. Daddy taught me how to do this.
No, he didn't. What did Daddy teach you how to do?
Daddy teach me how to do this.
Anyways, let me tell them the story because you're being a bushman. Anyways, Jameer is smiling like that in his picture because, yeah, I'm sitting on the floor. So I was fixing that, so I'm on the floor. So anyways, Jameer was smiling like that in his school photos because this one up here.
Daddy.
Because of him. He told Jameer how to smile. And Jameer already has a beautiful smile. So I'm like, why would you tell him how to smile when he already knows how to smile? So Adrian told him to smile like that. Some fake smile. And guess what? Guess what? He didn't want to buy it. He didn't want to buy it. He's like, I'm not buying those. I said, we're going to buy them. Because not every moment in life is perfect. So I was saying we're going to buy it because it's very important that we show the good and the bad. I'm not saying this is bad. But we want to show this has this amazing background story to it. So we bought these pictures because I said, you know what? This is going to be something for us to laugh at in the future. So for all the people who think, okay, well, that picture makes my eyes look crossed. Oh, this picture makes me look like this. Oh, this picture makes me look like that. just remember what's the story behind the picture. That's what really matters. The story behind the picture. Because me and Jamar look at us. We look funny in some of these pictures. You know? But the story behind it, we went to Chuck E. Cheese and we had a blast. We got so many tickets. We stayed there for an hour and a half. We just had a lot of good times, and it's not about being picture perfect. It's about having fun and enjoying yourself.
So the thing is finally done. It took me probably 2 hours. The tree broke down. The reason why it fell down the last time, because the foot broke off of the tree, you see me? Now if it broke off the foot off of the tree, I use one of my light stand and just do a makeshift, so the tree I gonna look taller than it was before. But beside the finished product, tell me one thing about it. So see, that my people, that the tree, is it? Yeah, I like that, man. As I say, this is the foot off of my camera light stand, is it? I'm just, cause that's why I look so tall, I'm just do a little 1-2 thing funny. You see me? So it don't look as bad. Cause you know, you don't want to have this big long empty space, so I kinda just make it look festive. Christmas tree remake. Some people actually go around my tree and laugh at my tree. Tree drop down the day after I make and see it, you know? Up and running again. Yeah, man. What I have to say? Mad thing. Check it out. Mad. See it there? Set up and now. Up and running. You see it? Yeah. Like that, my people. So I set it up back nice. Up top.
Hey, it's a problem.
Yeah, I eat that. Out. You go for yourself and comment below and let me know how you like the new tree. As I say, it's a makeshift or make whatever. The foot, you know? Yeah. Battery I got lock off, so you know the thing set. If you're not subscribe to the thing. Check out the rest of the videos. You see me? Vlog number 11. Big up on yourself and enough love for the love. I head out got the gym right now. Up top.